got a, oh, look at the size of it, master volt, AC master, pure sine wave inverter, not going. Oh, this thing's heavy. Whew, that's massive. Right, let me get the case off and we'll have a look. Apparently the customer says no output, and when it's connected the fans spin up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So we shall have a look. Put that out of the way. Two big fans. Get both ends off. And then we'll take the top off. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm doing the screws. This is the, I don't know, the ends. Right, there it comes off. Put that out of the way. Right. Get the 3 screws on the side here. Such big units, such little screws. Look at that. Tiny little screw for a big unit like this. I suppose it doesn't need much, it's only the lid. Right, those 3 they're off. So yeah, so when power comes on it, it surges up and down, which almost could be a capacitor or something bringing down the capacitor side of things, charging and discharging. So we'll have a look. Right, oh, 2 more screws. Last couple of screws to go. Right, reveal what's inside. Get out of the way. So main output's this way, and okay, nothing's jumping out at me. Right, I'll get it stripped down a bit further and we'll have a look. I'll bring it back when I've got it stripped down. Right, just quickly bring it back. And the first thing I'm noticing is this frame down here is all bent. So I wonder if it's been dropped. We shall have a look. Right, I'll get it stripped down a bit further. Right, and another good rule of thumb, because there's so many wires, is to grab the old trusty cell phone and snap up some pictures just as a reference where everything goes. More pictures the merrier. I'll get a couple of those. Right, let's bring it back and I've got it stripped down a bit further. Right, as you can see, I'll grab something flat. You can see that. So it'd be something, I'd say, around this area here, because it is on the input side where it's surging. Right, quickly zoom you in. What I have noticed is these two here, where that bend was in that frame, which goes there, this one here, if you look at the prongs, it's all been shoved over that way. So we'll have a look under this bit of the board here. Right, what do we got here? So it's this area here. No, they look all solid. Right, let me go over the board, and if I see anything, I'll start you back up again. Right, recording again. Right, so the input positive comes in over here. You can see that, yep. It comes through in through these soldered in fuses, and it goes into one, then the next one. So power is all on this one for input, and it goes into through the fuses and in through these three power bars, which then go down onto the board, and you with three big power supplies right down here with capacitors. So we'll start having a look at that side of things, but first of all I'll check all those fuses, because obviously all three have to go. Right, I'll bring you back once I find something more. Alright, the blocks of fuses, they all check out. They do look like a bit of corrosion, so you get the old brass brush if you want to clean up. A little bit better. So we need these to make the best contact. That's two done, and three. Got these a bit of a clean up. I'll pull those little blocks off there, unscrew them there, make sure it's nice and clean and make a really good contact, and I'll bring it back once I've done that.